Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the gradient of the line passing through each of the following three pairs of points. And very importantly, at the top right hand corner, I have written down the formula how we could find the gradient of a line. Okay, so y1, y2, x1, x2 are just coordinates of 2 points. So every time when Mr. Tan do this type of question, I would actually label the points. Okay, so in this case here, I would have probably, let's see. I will have my x1, y1, and my x2, y2 coordinates. So if I go back to the formula at the top right, I would color code them, meaning this will be my, x1, y1 here, and x2, y2 here. And I just need to apply the formula neatly. Okay, so in this case here, my gradient of the line CD is therefore equals to y1, which will be 8 in this case. I usually like to put a bracket when I substitute values in. Y2 will be 5. This will prevent careless mistake, alright? X1, -5, minus my x2, -2. And at this point, I just need to make use of my calculator. This will give me a value of -1. Done. And I'm going to replicate this for my next two pair of lines. So this will be my x1, y1, x2, y2, and therefore gradient of EF again will be equals to my y1, 3, minus my y2, -5. x1 will be 2, minus my x2, 2. And in this case here, because the value of the denominator, if you notice, 2 minus 2 will be equals to 0. On top is 8. And every time we have this situation where we are going to divide by a 0, this will not give me any answer because for this particular case, the gradient is undefined. Okay, so gradient of EF in this case here is undefined. Alright, moving on to the last question, last line that we are going to have, GH. I'm going to again replicate what I have done for the previous two lines, which is in this case here. Again, I'm going to just make sure I write this down, x1, y1, x2, y2, so that when I substitute into the formula and I put a bracket, I will not make careless mistakes. Okay, so in this case, it's -1. -7 will be my x1 minus my 3. And in this case here, I will get 0. And that will be the answer for this question. Alright, we have come to the end of this part of the video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.